This is the Nubia Redmagic 6R, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Then open any search engine that you like, type in Fortnite APK, like so. Among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website. Open the web page, then look for the download the app from Epic Games link, which you want to click on. Confirm that you would like to download the file. Open it. Allow any browser that you use to install unknown apps. Then proceed with the Epic Games Launcher installation. After that, open the Epic Games Launcher app. Next, click on this black Get button right in front of a Fortnite game. And, well, after that you gotta start the download process by tapping on this yellow install button. So, let's wait. As you can see, the system asks that we allow Epic Games Launcher to install unknown apps as well, the same we did for the Google Chrome in my case. So let me do exactly that. Confirm the installation. And now I can go ahead and launch the Fortnite. And basically, all that is left to do is for you to wait until the Fortnite will download and update all the necessary files and resources. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.